All right, so today we're here to digitize a cassette tape. You've probably seen these before. This is a common media type that's used to store audio that you may have recorded or commercial tapes such as this. We'll pop it over into this audio cassette player. Just like that. Now we'll push play once we're ready to start recording. But before we do that, we're going to jump over to our computer and open up Studio One, which is this blue box that kind of lives right here. We're pretty much all set. All we have to do is find the record button, which lives kind of right here at the bottom. So I'll push that. Once it goes red, we're starting to record, which is great. So I need to push play. Before we do that, we're going to make sure that the audio cassette channel is selected. So we want that light to be on because we also have a vinyl set up here that's plugged in. So I'll push play and we're going to be able to hear some audio. Great. And you can see that we're recording over on the screen. If you need it any louder, you can turn it up or down with these two knobs. This is the input recording, so that's going to be real nice. And if you need to turn it down, the playback volume, you can do that there. All right, so say that's done. Say that's our whole recording. We're going to push stop. We'll come back over to our software, and we can push stop there. Now, to get the audio off of the software and into a way that we can share it, we're going to need to export what we got. So I'm going to grab this little start flag and move it to where I want to start my audio. And then I'm going to grab this end flag that's all the way at the end. Now, you probably have a longer recording. Maybe it's 10, 15, 20 minutes long. So you're going to have a little bit more audio here. But we just have this small little sliver. So start and end, kind of in that small spot. I'm going to come up to Song in the drop-down menu, and I'm going to go to Export Mixdown. Now this will give us a chance to name our file. I already have something in here that I did once before. Professor Longhair, that's what we got. House Party New Orleans, you can write that all in. Save the location. If you want to pop it on over to the desktop, that's going to make your life a little bit easier when you try to find it. So you can press open there. You got a couple options on how you want to save your audio. A WAV is going to be an uncompressed audio file, and that's just going to be checked there if that's what you want. It's going to be a larger file. If you need to share it with some people, we might recommend using MP3. If you check that box, that's going to make an MP3. We want our export range to be between the start and end marker. And then we're all set. I'll push OK, and this is going to make two files for us since we had two formats checked. We're going to have a WAV, and we're going to have an MP3. And you can just give the spacebar a press, just listen to it real quick. And that's our track. Thanks a lot.